The birds are so beautiful. We put down food for them, the birds and the squirrels. I put down the bird seed, walnuts, pecans, peanuts, Brazil nuts. What else is down? I don't even know. It's a whole bunch of ones. I know that they don't like the split peas. The split peas come in one of the bags of bird seed that I get. So when I come back, normally the split peas are still there. I tried putting was that carrots down, cut up carrots. They don't like those. I put blueberries and apples down as well. They do like those, so they are eating that. But some of the other stuff they're not eating. Yeah. I just saw a yellow